but our dedication to food extends beyond cheese. So I'm going to take a little tangent here to talk about our Beecher's Foundation. Our Beecher's Foundation umbrellas two other segments. I would say one is the Pure Food Kids Foundation, and that's the picture you saw. Pure Food Kids Foundation is an amazing program that we do here at Sugar Mountain and Beecher's, where we teach kids how to read food labels in a nutshell. The Pure Food Kids, it's a free 2.5-hour workshop in the public schools lined up with the U.S. Nutrition standards to teach kids what they're eating. And they love it because they get to learn a little bit about what the backs of the labels say and how to read it and serving sizes. And then they get to make food in class. And we like to say, if you make it, they will eat it. So they get to experience the standard that we do is a vegetarian chili in class. They wash their hands, they learn some cutting skills. They learn the claw or the tunnel and the claw, so they're safe at home. And then they're learning washing and hygiene skills. And then they cut up all the ingredients, and then they enjoy some vegetarian chili during class. That's the Pure Food Kids. So Kurt's mission to teach, show full transparency to how food is made and ingredients are a strong point of what we do. The other side is a Sound Food Uprising. That's grown quite a bit, but let's just call it an adult version of the Pure Food Kids. So adults can kind of learn what it is that we do as a company, what it is that they can learn about their food and their food choices and their food prep and how to just eat better and be healthier. Big thing we like to say is, changing the way America eats. It's kind of a nice beginning to, when you're looking at Pike Place Market, you have a conversation topics go inward, you get a chance to really see how food is made.